Welcome back, AI enthusiasts. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of machine learning as a service, commonly known as MLaaS. This cutting-edge technology is revolutionizing the way businesses utilize artificial intelligence, making it more accessible and powerful than ever before. So, let's explore what MLaaS is all about and how it's transforming industries worldwide. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's start with the basics. What is machine learning as a service? Machine learning as a service, or MLaaS for short, is a cloud-based model that allows organizations to leverage the power of machine learning without the need for extensive infrastructure or in-house AI expertise. In this paradigm, milliliter models, datasets, and tools are hosted in the cloud and offered as a service to businesses. MLaaS providers handle the heavy lifting of data management, algorithm development, and model deployment, enabling organizations to focus on their core competencies. So, what sets MLaaS apart from traditional machine learning approaches? Let's find out. Definition of MLaaS. In traditional machine learning, businesses had to build and maintain their AI infrastructure, invest in hardware, and hire specialized data scientists and engineers. MLaaS changes the game by shifting this responsibility to external service providers. Companies can now access AI capabilities through APIs and user-friendly interfaces, streamlining the development and deployment process significantly. B. Components of MLaaS. To understand how MLaaS works, let's break down its core components. CDATA management and storage. Data is the lifeblood of AI, and MLaaS providers understand its importance. They offer robust data management and storage solutions, ensuring secure and efficient collection, storage, and retrieval of data. Additionally, they comply with data privacy regulations, giving businesses peace of mind when handling sensitive information. CPRE-trained models and algorithms. One of the key attractions of MLaaS is its extensive library of pre-built, pre-trained models and algorithms. These models cover a wide range of applications, such as image recognition, language translation, sentiment analysis, and more. Businesses can easily integrate these models into their applications and workflows, saving significant time and effort. CCUSTOMIZATION and fine-tuning. While pre-trained models are convenient, they might not perfectly fit every business case. MLaaS platforms allow for model customization and fine-tuning. This flexibility empowers organizations to tailor AI solutions to their specific needs, improving accuracy and performance. Now that we understand the core components, let's see who the major players are in the MLaaS game. Major players in MLaaS. The AI industry is abuzz with several major MLaaS providers. Let's take a quick look at some of them. A. Google Cloud AI Platform. Google's AI platform offers a comprehensive suite of MLaaS services. It allows businesses to build, train, and deploy machine learning models using Google's cutting-edge technology. The platform is known for its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with other Google Cloud services, making it an attractive choice for a wide range of businesses. A. Microsoft Azure Machine Learning. Microsoft's Azure Machine Learning is another prominent player in the MLaaS market. It provides a powerful set of tools and services for data scientists and developers to build sophisticated AI models. With its focus on enterprise-grade security and scalability, Azure Machine Learning has won the trust of many large organizations. A. Amazon SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker, part of the AWS ecosystem, is known for its simplicity and flexibility. It streamlines the entire machine learning workflow, from data preparation to model training and deployment. Businesses can easily collaborate and experiment with different algorithms using SageMaker's intuitive interface. Now that we know the major players, let's explore the exciting benefits of adopting MLaaS. IV. Benefits and advantages of MLaaS. Host, voiceover. MLaaS offers numerous advantages that are driving its widespread adoption in various industries. A. Cost effectiveness. The traditional approach to AI implementation demands significant upfront investments in hardware and specialized talent. MLaaS eliminates these barriers by providing a pay-as-you-go model. Businesses only pay for the resources they use, making AI adoption much more affordable and scalable. A. Rapid prototyping and deployment. With MLaaS, businesses can rapidly prototype and deploy AI solutions. This acceleration in development time means organizations can bring innovative products and services to the market faster, gaining a competitive edge. A. Accessibility and democratization of AI. MLaaS democratizes AI, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes. Small and medium-sized enterprises now have the opportunity to harness the power of AI without the need for extensive in-house AI expertise. As with any technology, there are challenges to consider. Let's take a closer look. V. Challenges and considerations. While MLaaS offers tremendous benefits, there are some critical challenges to address. A. Data security and privacy concerns. The security of data is a top priority for any AI implementation. Organizations must carefully choose MLaaS providers that prioritize data privacy and comply with relevant regulations to avoid potential data breaches. A. Model fairness and bias. AI models can perpetuate biases present in the training data. It's essential to be vigilant about fairness and bias mitigation to ensure that AI applications are ethical and inclusive. A. Vendor lock-in. Over-reliance on a single MLaaS provider could lead to vendor lock-in. Organizations should consider multi-cloud strategies or solutions that allow easy migration to avoid dependency on a single provider. Enough with theory. Let's explore some real-world applications of MLaaS. Real-world use cases. MLaaS is versatile and finds applications in various industries. Let's take a look at two exciting examples. A. E-commerce recommendation systems. E-commerce businesses leverage MLaaS to enhance their recommendation systems. By using AI-driven product suggestions, companies can offer personalized experiences to customers, boosting engagement and increasing sales. A. Fraud detection in finance. In the finance sector, MLaaS plays a crucial role in fraud detection. Real-time analysis of financial transactions using millimeter models helps identify and prevent fraudulent activities, protecting businesses and customers alike. In conclusion, machine learning as a service is a game changer in the world of AI. Conclusion: MLaaS empowers businesses to harness the full potential of AI without the complexities of building everything from scratch. Its cost-effectiveness, rapid deployment, and accessibility make it an invaluable tool for businesses seeking to unlock the power of AI. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on AI, tech, and beyond. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with MLaaS in the comments below. Until next time, happy learning, and keep exploring the fascinating world of AI.